Tuesday, some patchy fog in the morning. Otherwise, the National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 563, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in New York, Cayuga, Genesee, Livingston, Monroe, Ontario, Orleans, Seneca, Wayne, Wyoming, and Yates, and the following: the Niagara River to Hamlin Beach along Lake Ontario, Hamlin Beach to Sodus Bay to Mexico Bay, the Niagara River to Mexico Bay beyond 5 miles from shore. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the wash area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.